on the occasion of Swachhata Hi Seva campaign, an initiative taken by PCME headquarters for mass awareness to save environment. We all consume water from Bisleri and plastic bottles, but have we realized what they do to the environment after the water is consumed? These plastic bottles release carbon dioxide to pollute the air, and more of them end up in landfills. But to prevent such hazards, we have with us Srimati Pushpa Matthew, who with her railway responsibilities goes an extra mile by collecting plastic bottles. She cuts them in simple manner designed for planters and decorates them with plants to circulate fresh air in the office and make her office surroundings clean and aesthetic. She is a nature lover and wants to save Mother Earth. She uses discarded plastic bottles of spices, biscuits, and other eateries to revive them into artistic creations, curbing plastic pollution on the landfills. So here we have Pushpa Matthew in her artistic work. Here you can see her painting the discarded water bottle to give it a new form that will be decorating this office with green planters and circulate this office fresh air in the environment. Here is a plastic bottle. Do you know what this is? These are small biscuit bottles, but her creativity has made them into beautiful plastic pen stand that not only looks beautiful, but it also holds pens and pencils. After we have our food, we all have gulab mukhwas, but after the container gets finished, we just throw it in the dustbin and this is discarded to fill the landfills. But she prevents that. She makes this out of that. And here is again an artistic creation by Pushpa Matthew to save the environment.
We are responsible towards the earth by polluting less of plastic and throwing it away in the garbage. We can recycle in various forms by using these bottles, containers, and make it into something useful. These are the various things which I have tried. Thank you.